Your grinding coffee maker. Part 1. Clean out the top to remove all the beans that will just make a mess if you don't.
Indeed, indeed. There you go. Next step.
Part 2.
Oh, we did unplug the machine, just to let you know. Part 2.
Part 2.
Open up the front.
Take the top off the coffee hopper. Close it back up so that all the goodies back here
That you want to clean out.
you want to clean out in the coffee grind chute.
Oh, it's blocked.
So you can
this
see.
is all the... Oh, besoin d'une lumière, hein? See all this stuff that...
Yeah. So there's a bunch of coffee in there.
Yeah, that's... And how often would you clean this area?
About once a week.
Oh yeah, I guess that's about right. And it's hard with big fingers to get underneath here. I don't know.
What I used was the little coffee spoon I had that I could jam in there, or a toothbrush.
Good idea. Although the toothbrush is hard to get underneath here.
Yeah, I use that toothbrush handle.
Ah. So,
Yeah, so
again, push it down?
Yeah, so jam it down so it falls into the coffee basket.
Yeah. There you go. Is that good enough?
That looked good.
We
What I also do is I flick this a little bit
Ah, ouais.
because there's a little hatch.
Yeah. So now we can close it again. And now we'll go see and empty this with all the muck inside.
So there we go. Look at that. Stuff you're getting rid of. All done.